Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, once again, we have started chapter number 1, the planet Earth and the solar system. So, yesterday, we all have studied up to stars, constellations, solar systems, suns also. Now, today, we will start from the planet. From the planet, we will continue. So, what is planet? Planets are the heavenly bodies which receive light and heat from the sun. Which receive light and heat from the sun. Sun से मिलता है light and heat. That is called planet. These are also heavenly bodies. So they do not have their own light. उनका अपना प्रकाश नहीं होता है. So they receive the light from sun only. So the total number of planets in the solar systems are 8. So in order of their distance from the sun, सन से डिस्टेंस के अनुसार उसको ऑर्डर में दिखाया गया है. डेट इज फर्स्ट वन इज मरकरी, सेकेंड वन इज वेनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून. So this is a systematic order in a ascending order distance from the sun. So first one is Mercury, Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, and last Neptune. Now come to the next topic. The first 4 planets in order of their distance from the sun, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. ये चारों सबसे क्या है, फर्स्ट 4 planets हैं, सन से ज़्यादा नज़दीक हैं. And these are called terrestrial planets. और इनको क्या कहा जाता है, terrestrial planets. Because why we call it terrestrial planets? Because they are made up of solid, they have solid rocky surfaces. 2 of the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, are known as gas giant. अब outer planets में these 4 are called inner planets and rest 4 of them are called outer planets. इसमें से बाकी जो 2 outer planets हैं, that is Jupiter and Saturn, are known as gas giant. Whereas the more distant Uranus and Neptune, last 2 planets, are called ice giants. Now come to the Mercury. Mercury has a thin atmosphere and the days are very hot, but at night the temperature drops hundreds of degrees below freezing point. So life is not possible in the Mercury because the days are very hot and the nights are very cold below the freezing point. And it is the smallest planet in our solar system also. So Venus is the hottest planet due to its volcanic activity. Why Venus is the hottest planet? Due to its volcanic activities and thick atmosphere. It spins backward. In which direction Venus spins? In backward directions. Now come to the Earth. As we all know, Earth, our home planet, is the only planet which support life due to its optimum amount of heat. Earth एक ऐसा प्लैनेट है जहां लाइफ क्या है, पॉसिबल है. व्हाई इट इज पॉसिबल? बिकॉज ड्यू टू इट्स ऑप्टिमम अमाउंट ऑफ हीट, लाइट एंड ऑक्सीजन. नाउ कम टू द मार्स. मार्स नोन एज रेड प्लैनेट. मार्स नोन एज रेड प्लैनेट. You can see the 8 planets in the order of their distance from the sun. So here is a Mars. Mars is called the red planet. This is a picture diagram of solar systems. You all have to draw this diagram like this and label the name of all the planets systematically. So Mars is called the red planet. It is cold desert. It is cold desert and its atmosphere is too thin for liquid water to exist for long on the surface. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune have rings. Last 4 planets have rings. The rings around Jupiter are very faint. The rings around Jupiter are very faint and hence cannot be seen by naked eyes. We cannot see the rings of the Jupiter. Now come to that next. The atmosphere of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. The atmosphere of Jupiter and Saturn Uranus is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. किस गैस से बना हुआ है? हाइड्रोजन एंड हेलियम से. And other than these gases, Uranus has methane also, which gives blue tint to it. Uranus के पास कौन सा गैस है? मीथेन है, जो इसको क्या कौन सा कलर देता है? It gives blue tint to it. Now Neptune is similar in composition to Uranus. Neptune क्या है? Just similar in composition to Uranus. And you can see Neptune, it also looks blue, and it is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium along with traces of hydrocarbons and nitrogens. Now it also contains a higher proportion of ammonia and methane. It also Uranus and Neptune also contain a higher proportion of ammonia and methane. Do you know about the other planet? That is the ninth planet. Earlier Pluto was considered as the ninth planet. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union IAU established a new category that it comes in the category of dwarf planet for Eris and Pluto. The ring around the Saturn were first seen by Galileo. The ring around the Saturn सबसे पहले किसने उसे देखा? By the Galileo it has seen. So a great astronomer of Italy was a great astronomer of Italy, Galileo, and with the help of telescope, he see the rings around the Saturn. In which year? In 1610 AD. Now come to the next point. The rotation time and the revolution time of the 8 planets are as follow. Here is all the planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And here is the time given, rotation time and revolution time around the sun. So we all have to remember this time. Means Mercury takes 59 days for one rotation and revolution time, that is 88 days. Now come to the Earth. We live on the Earth. That's why first we have to look after the Earth. So Earth rotation times 24 hours, and within 24 hours the days and nights are caused. And revolution times means 365 days and 6 hours. And 6 hours after 4 years becomes 1 day extra, and we call it leap year. In the month of February, 1 day include. Now come to the topic Earth. Earth is a unique planet. Why it is called a unique planet? You can see here the picture of the Earth. Photograph of the Earth taken from the space like this. Our Earth looks. So the Earth on which we live is placed at third position in order of the distance from the sun. The Earth on which we live, जिस पे हम लोग रहते हैं, its position is third, distance from the sun. And first position Mercury, second Venus, third is Earth. So its rank fifth in size, और rank size के अनुसार इसका rank क्या है? Earth का fifth number. So the Earth completes one rotation on its axis from west to east direction in about 24 hours. Earth one rotation पूरा करता है on its axis from west to east in how many hours? In 24 hours, which makes one day, जो क्या करता है? एक दिन पूरा करता है. So its revolution around the sun is covered in 365 days and 6 hours, which makes 1 year. Now come to the next paragraph. It is given here, in the ancient times it was believed that the earth is a flat body. पहले क्या माना जाता था? Earth is a flat body. But in the 5th century CE, Aryabhat, an Indian astronomer, declared that Earth is spherical in shape. इससे पहले माना जाता था, before the 5th century, it was believed that it was flat in surface. So after that, Aryabhat, an Indian astronomer, he declared that Earth is spherical in shape. Now the photographs of the Earth taken from the space confirms that actually it is spherical in shapes. So The earth bruises slightly at the equator and flattens at the top, at the poles. अर्थ थोड़ा सा क्या इक्वेटर की तरफ it is bruises means झुका हुआ है and at the pole it is flat. दोनों तरफ अगर हम पोल्स पे देखते हैं then it is flat. It is flat. Now come to the next paragraph. Now let us learn the favorable conditions which support life on the earth. So what are the favorable conditions which support life on the earth? The first one is the earth receives moderate heat and light from the sun. The first is the earth receives moderate heat and light. This much quantity of heat and light is just sufficient to evolve and sustain all forms of life on the Earth's surface. Other planets are either very hot or very cold. So first condition, moderate temperature and light के कारण हमारा life क्या है? It is possible on the Earth. Or other planet, if we see, then it is either very hot or it is either very cold. Now come to the second condition, that is water. 2/3 of Earth's area is covered with water. Water is essential for human beings, animals and plants, and no life can exist without water. Now come to the third condition, that is Earth has an envelope of air around it. हमारे आसपास क्या है अर्थ पे? Envelope of air, that is atmosphere, and it contains gases, water vapors, dust, particles, which helps in supporting life on the earth. So earth atmosphere protect us from the incoming meteors also. So these three conditions are very necessary, and due to these three conditions, life is possible on the earth, and that's why earth is called a unique planet. Now come to the do you know? Here it is given on September 24, 2014. India became the 4th country in the world to reach the orbit of Mars and the first to achieve it in its first attempt. Means on 24th September 2014, India became the 4th country. India पूरे world में it becomes the 4th country to reach the orbit of Mars and the first to achieve it in its first attempt. It is clear? Now come to the satellite topic. The heavenly bodies that revolve around their respective planets are called satellite. Satellite किसे कहते हैं? वैसे heavenly bodies जो revolve करते हैं around the respective planets. Now, like the planets, satellite also do not have their own heat and light. They also get reflected from the light from the sun. Each planet has one or more satellites. हर एक planets का एक या एक से अधिक satellites है. Except the Mercury and Venus. Mercury और Venus को छोड़ के. So our Earth has one satellite. हमारे अर्थ के पास कितने satellites हैं? एक सैटेलाइट्स. और किन दो प्लैनेट्स के पास सैटेलाइट्स नहीं है? मरकरी, वेनस के पास एक भी सैटेलाइट्स नहीं है. इसके अलावा जितने भी प्लैनेट्स हैं, चाहे वो अर्थ हो, मार्स अर्थ हो या और भी जो प्लैनेट्स हैं, लेफ्ट वन, दे ऑल हैव आइदर वन और मोर देन वन satellite, and our earth has only one satellite. We call it moon. As from 2015, Saturn has 53 satellites. Jupiter has 50 satellites, Uranus has 27, Neptune has 13, and Mars has 2 satellites. And we all have to learn the number of satellites on the various planets. You can see here Saturn with its satellite. There are number of satellites Saturn having 53. Total number of satellite is 53. Now come to the satellite of the earth, that is the moon, our nearest companion. सबसे near में क्या आपको मिलेगा heavenly bodies में? That is the moon. Now the moon is the closest celestial body to the earth. Its distance from the earth is about 3,84,000 kilometer. इसका distance earth से कितना है? 3,84,000 kilometer. Now the moon also reflects light which it receives from the sun. मून भी लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, और वो कहाँ से लाइट लाता है? इट टेक्स लाइट फ्रॉम द सन ओनली. द मून रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस एंड ऑल्सो रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ. मून भी रोटेट करता है ऑन इट्स एक्सिस एंड इट ऑल्सो रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ. So the period of rotation of moon on its axis, that of revolution around the earth, is the same. Means the rotation of the moon and the revolution of the moon अपने एक्सिस पे और अर्थ के चारों ओर जो मूवमेंट करता है, the both the period is same, that is 27.3 days. Now come to the next line. Due to the same period of both the movement, the rotation and revolution, the period of movement is same. Only one side of the moon is visible from the earth. The other side always remains invisible. So in the picture also we can see only one part of the moon. The other part of the moon we can't see. It is invisible. Now moon has a barren land comprising of plains. Moon has a barren lands. It comprises of plains type and valleys and craters. Now scientists believe that long ago Earth collided with another space object, resulted in throwing a big chunks of rocky material into the space, and that led to the formation of moon. How the formation of moon occurs? Listen properly once again. The moon has a barren land comprising of plains, valleys and crater. So scientists believe that long ago, बहुत पहले अर्थ कोलाइडेड विथ अनदर स्पेस ऑब्जेक्ट, दूसरे स्पेस ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ क्या हुआ था? इट कोलाइडेड. एंड व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? द रिजल्ट इन throwing a big chunks of rocky materials into a space, and this resulted in the formation of moon. Now come to the next paragraph. The moon does not have atmosphere around it, and it becomes extremely hot during the daytime in the light of the sun and extremely cold at the night or in shadow. So temperature may increase to more than 214 degree Celsius. Means दिन में अगर टेम्परेचर देखा जाए मून का तो more than it is 214 degree Celsius during the day, and falls at night, that is minus 184 degree Celsius during the night. So thus no life can possibly exist on the moon. Now come to the phases of moon. There are different phases of moon we all see. Now we have already learned that one side of the moon get illuminated by the sun. एक side moon का जो है वो क्या होता है? It is illuminated by the sun, which is visible to us. एक side हम लोग को दिखता है and other side we can't see, it is invisible. So the position of the moon in relation to the sun changes every day. सन के रिलेशन में अगर हम लोग देखते हैं पोजीशन ऑफ द मून, एवरी डे इज चेंजेस. हर एक दिन इसमें कुछ ना कुछ चेंज आते रहता है. सो व्हेन द इल्यूमिनेटेड साइड ऑफ द मून इज फुल्ली हिडन, जब वो पूरी तरह हिडन हो जाता है, मीन्स वी कांट सी द मून इन द स्काई फ्रॉम आवर व्यू, इट इज कॉल्ड द न्यू मून, दैट वी कॉल इट अमावस्या. सो डू यू नो, हियर इट इज गिवन. Astronaut Neil Armstrong was the first human to set foot on the moon, and he, along with Edwin Aldrin, landed the lunar module of Apollo 11 on the moon's surface on July 20, 1969. When on July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong was the first human who set foot on the moon along with Edwin Aldrin. Now come to the next, the visible portion. As we studied right now, the invisible portion is called Amavasya, full new moon. Now come to the visible portion goes on increasing after Amavasya. See here in the diagram also the various phases of moon it is given. In A, it is the new moon. In B, it looks something, and after C, it is looking half of the moon. We can look half of the moon, and in the D again it is more than half, and the full moon, that is called Purnima. फिर धीरे धीरे फिर वो क्या हो जाता है? Invisible होते जाता है, and last I number it is again in the formation of new moon. So in the month there is 2 times Amavasya and 1 times Purnima. So now come to the point. At first the moon appears in crescent shape. On 8th day, half portion of the moon comes in view. 8th day, half portion of the moon comes, that is in picture number C, and the full moons becomes visible after 15 days. After 15 days the full moon becomes visible, that is picture number E. After 15 days, half of its revolution is completed, and the day when the moon is completely visible to us, that is full moon day, Purnima. After this day, the decline of the moon illuminated parts start. फिर पूर्णिमा के बाद फिर illuminated part start हो जाता है, और day by day the moon becomes disappears. Slowly it disappears, and the once again the moon comes in the new position, that is the new moon. So here is a diagram of various phases of moon. We all have to draw this diagram and explain it. Now here comes the next paragraph. The phases of the moons are used to determine the lunar dates and to fix the duration of lunar month in India and Arab country with the help of moons. In Hindu and Muslim festivals also, we celebrate festivals with the help of moons, such as Deepavali. We are celebrating Deepavali on Amavasya, that is new moon day, and Eid also are usually fixed on the basis of the lunar dates and month. Now come to the other celestial bodies in the solar system. Apart from the sun, stars, planets, satellite, there are some more celestial bodies in the sky, that is asteroids, meteoroids and comets that revolve around the sun. Now come to the first topic, that is asteroids. Asteroids are rocky space objects that orbit our sun, जो sun के orbit में रहता है. Now this can be a few feet wide to several hundred miles wide. इसका क्या है, how much it is wide? Few feet, कुछ feet से लेके several hundred miles wide it is. And most asteroids orbit our sun. ज़्यादातर asteroids कहाँ orbit करते हैं? Our sun, stars, in a region of space between the object of Mars and Jupiter known as asteroids belt, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? It is called asteroids belt. Now come to the meteoroids. Meteoroids are little chunks of rocks and debris in space, and they become meteors or shooting stars when they fall through the earth surface. वो कब meteors या shooting stars कहलाता है? जब वह earth surface से नीचे गिरता है and leaving a bright tail. और वो क्या leave करता है? Like a bright tail as they are heated by the friction of atmosphere. So most of them break up. ज़्यादातर इसमें ये क्या हो जाते हैं? Break हो जाते हैं, टूट जाते हैं in the atmosphere only before they can strike the surface as meteorites. Now here comes, do you know, a crater is a depression which may be formed either by falling of a large meteor on the surface. Crater कैसे form करता है? What is crater? It is a depression. वो कब होता है form? When the large meteor falling from the atmosphere on the earth's surface or by the volcanic eruption. वो बहुत बड़ा गड्ढा कर देता है. That is called crater. And now come to the size of crater. Meteor crater on North Arizona, that is USA में जो गिरा था, is nearly 1 mile across and 2.4 miles in circumference, and more that the deep is actually 550 feet deep. इतना गहरा और इतना ज़्यादा circumference में पाया गया. Now come to the last topic, that is comets. Comets are the small bodies with a head and long luminous tail. With a head and long luminous tail. चमकता हुआ tail होता है इसका. So they are made up of dust. किस चीज से बना होता है? Dust and frozen gases से. They appear in the sky after a long period. बहुत साल बाद ये हमें sky में देखने को मिलते हैं. A comets known as Halley's comets appear in the sky. Halley's comet एक comet है जो हमें every 76 years के बाद हमें देखने को मिलता है. You can see here in the picture also on the solar system. When it was seen last, that is 25th March 1996. So we have completed the chapter once again, and here is the keywords. We all have to remember these keywords also, and do you know of this chapter? So I hope now you all understood it very well.